Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll discuss about how to create a Shopify store in 2021. Now that have decided to take your business online at Shopify, you can set up your e-commerce stores that covers everything. Build your online marketplace from scratch to constructing a social media store to solutions with shipping, payment, and more. Once you have your goods, your supplier, and you have decided you on e-commerce marketing strategy to your product, you have to find the best possible way to market them. However, you can't just start selling. You require a store to begin with. How to create a Shopify store? While it is a known fact, know that setting up a Shopify store often is extremely time consuming and involves multiple extensive processes. The reason why Shopify has gained immense popularity as an e-commerce platform is it easy. Step 1, create your Shopify account. Step 2, provide more details about your Shopify store. Step 3, customize your Shopify store. Step 4, choose how you want your Shopify store to look. Step 5, further customize your Shopify store's layout. There is over 100 themes available on the Shopify theme stores, you know. And the number 6 step, upload products to your Shopify stores. Now that you have decided exactly how your site should look, it is crucial to list all the products you have up for sale. Number 7 step, group and categorize your product. Step 8, step up Shopify payment. Step 9, know everything about Shopify taxes and shipping cost. Step 10, test your order system. Step 11, customize your domain. Step 12, remove password protection. Step 13, run periodicals check. These are the different steps about the how to make a Shopify store. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye.